G'day viewers, well I did some substitution tests with another Astor radio that has a similar valve lineup, and all the valves are fine, even the audio output valve 6M5, that's fine too. I bypassed the, I just connected the speaker directly into the audio circuit. This is going straight to the speaker now, to that transformer. I'm getting audio, but no radio. The amplifier is working. I'm getting some oscillations and everything, but still no radio. I wobbled this valve and things picked up, but that's not the problem. So I'm going to have to replace these other paperback capacitors. There's not much hum in it. The filter capacitor's not warm and it's come good. Yeah, that's come good now. There's not much hum on the audio at all. This thing's looks like the audio transformer there's got an open winding. Got to find another one the similar size I could put in that shell and replace it. Put some liquid electrical tape on there. Yeah, the audio amplifier section's working now, but I'm getting oscillations and just got to get the radio to work so it feeds the audio circuit and works like a normal radio. So we're getting there. I'll just hook this speaker in there. And that's my test speaker. It's good for this. It's got the transformer on it. It's a permanent magnet speaker, so I can just hook this up through the transformer there. So this is a pretty high voltage that comes out of that. And that's going to the speaker, and this doesn't ground out either. So that one. I'll place those 0.5s at a 0.47. The tolerance is pretty good for this. It'll work. Soldering iron is just heating up. Okay, more awkward video footage here, that's alright. You get just the subject here, what I'm doing. Hey, mumbling out my bloody words there. But basically I'm putting forward 0.47s in place of these 0.5s. I'll just compensate it later. It will still work, good for a test. As I said, valves can tolerate it. If it was my personal radio, I would, now they're having an oscilloscope, I'd actually, because I've done these and these newer value capacitors are different, I'll oscilloscope and I'll realign the whole thing and start again to compensate the new capacitors. But this is still going to work okay, regardless. It'll still work good enough. I could always make a trip down to my local tech lab, which is a J-car shop where I am, but I don't like to have the look of having axial modern radial components under the chassis. I just personally don't like it. I think it just looks like crap. And the reliability of some Chinese capacitors, even those types, are maybe the wrong one. I suppose that'd be alright. Personally, I'll just use quality valve radio grade components. Ones are known to be really good. Some of that stuff J-car so it can be a bit dodgy. It's mostly generic sort of stuff. Snip this one out of the circuit. There. Just cutting down a bit in the footage here. I just should have recharged the damn battery. I only got 3 minutes of battery left in this camera. I'll go over the resistors in this radio too. Just run through them with a multimeter, just do some checks. Because that could be a possibility. I might even have an open resistor somewhere. But I'm pretty, yeah, as I said before, I diagnosed that audio transformer was having an open winding. Based on my tests, nothing's going past the transformer. Let's cut this one off. There's so many components in the one lead here, so I'll just cut it off. While just solder it on the top. Okay, nice and finicky. As long as it looks neat, I just want to get a good connection before I solder. Not messy as such, but a good solid mechanical connection is what I want. Oh, that's looking good. Perfect. No, wait a minute. Okay, that's going on there. Then that down there. That's okay there. No shorts. Just cut that mess off I made here. Perfect. There we go. Nice. Nice. Well, I suppose I could test it again now. As I said, it may improve, it may not, but let's get that unplugged. Okay. Alright. That soldering iron somewhere. I've got to make a good reliable multi soldering iron stand. It's actually practical. So just sitting it somewhere perfectly flat, because when you set the soldering iron up, the cord wants to pull away and just doesn't want to go where it wants to go. The cord just does it at once. When you've got an ordinary conventional soldering iron stand, that's not possible. You can't get the soldering iron where you want it to stay. Oh, hey, hey! Just zapped myself. The speaker's working. Not what I want to hear, but it's doing something. I wasn't doing that before. The transformer's not blowing. Well, that's different. That's different. Okay. Let's get this unplugged. I've got a dirty connection. I played with the volume and now it's changing things. Looks like our audio transformer's fine. Oh, we're getting somewhere. Okay. Okay, well, top tip. The company CRC make these little permanently attached flip down nozzles. So I keep these off silicone spray cans I throw away at work. Keep these before I throw the can in the bin when it's empty. They're very handy. Flip it down, flip it up. Instead of having to buy an expensive product, just have this on it. You could use this on anything. It makes the whole damn job easier. Instead of the nozzle popping off the nozzle, conventional one, the straw pops off. This one's much better. And that's nice and quiet now. It works, but it's a lube, which for valve sockets, it's going to be a bit messy, but it does the job. The opposite would have been better. Something's changed here. Nothing. There we go. Play with that potentiometer. Okay, got another electric capacitor I didn't see. It's going under here. Okay. Okay, bypass the 16 microfarad capacitor out of circuit now, and that was heated up, a resistor going to it was getting hot. So I'll fix that. That's all been replaced. We're taking it out of the circuit. Let's try it now. Must have some dirty sockets again. Well, it came on for a second, now it turned off again. I must have an open resistor somewhere. Yeah. I'll start checking resistors. It did have some audio. No radio stations, but I had something out of the speaker and I've got nothing again. I bypassed this capacitor out of circuit because it was getting a little bit warm and the resistor was getting going to it was getting a bit toasty. So that capacitor's bypassed and replaced. Yeah, I'll have to start checking resistors. Still got nothing. It just cut out. Yeah, it just cut out now. Doesn't work. Start checking some resistors, I think. Got nothing at all. We're getting in there though. Yeah, nothing. Completely silent, even with the other speaker on it. So the transformer's fine, it's just the circuit's got a resistor that's intermittent in there, so I'll have to start checking some resistors and replacing resistors. Work in progress. Take this back over. Oh, that's fun again. There's a capacitor I replaced. And that resistor's still toasty. Not as bad as what it was. It's better than what it was. I don't have a terminal strip to hook this up to on the positive side. But that's not going anywhere anyway. Unless I really push on it and short it out, but it takes a fair bit of effort to do that. So it's not an issue when it's in service. So I'm going to start checking all these other resistors here and see if any of those are open. One of these ones could be open. It sounds like it's in the audio circuit going to the speaker, so I'll start with this side of the circuit, just check all those resistors. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.